Hi everybody, Clint Hughes here from MarineMax in Clearwater, Florida, and today I'm going to give you a walkthrough on this 2023 19-foot SPX Sea Ray. This particular boat is equipped with a 150 horsepower Mercury engine. Plenty of power, especially for skiing. This one has a ski pole for water ski sports. It's equipped with aft sea deck on the aft platform here and the walkthrough. And then come on into the cockpit and I'll show you around. So this particular boat seats about 10 people comfortably, which is amazing for a 19-foot boat. As we move to the back here and the seating under this sun pad here, good thing about having an outboard engine is when you lift this up, it has plenty of storage space underneath. As you see, it's a nice deep compartment. And then there's storage here to the left as well, and you can fit a cooler in there. As we close this, make our way to the aft seat here. Additional storage under this seat, which is insulated. You can use it as an ice box or whatever you would like. Even more storage over here. Under all the seats on this boat, there's storage, so you have plenty of room. Recessed cup holders with LED lights in them. Grab rail, and as we move forward into the cockpit, we have the port side seating, which is a bench seat right now, which can also convert to a normal chair. But flipping this up, and then you just flip this around, and nicely stores underneath this chair here. And then you have a seat. Multiple speakers throughout this boat with a Fusion stereo system. This one has a premium stereo system, so the sound that you're going to get when you're at the sandbar or whatever is going to be excellent. This one has a 9-inch Simrad display with Mercury vessel view, so all your gauges will come up on the dash here. As we move forward, you can see another subwoofer for the stereo system. And then this boat is also equipped with a bow filler cushion, so you can make the bow into a nice sun pad area for sitting. Additional speakers, and then if you remove this, there's actually additional cup holders underneath the sun pad here with LED lighting. And then up here we also have a nice anchor locker, easily accessible when you're at the island, with a cleat in there to tie it off. And then that's about it on this particular Sea Ray. Again, my name is Clint. If you have any questions, come down, see us, or if you want to do your own walkthrough, MarineMax Clearwater. Thank you.